Our solar system is full of oddballs. Did you know Venus spins backward? Unlike Earth, the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Imagine that sunrise. From a scorching hot planet with a runaway greenhouse effect to a giant ice giant tipped on its side, our cosmic neighborhood is anything but boring. Join me, Sarthaki Dongre, on WhizCosmos as we explore the most fascinating and unusual planets in our solar system. Get ready for an astronomical adventure. In the vast cosmic ocean, dotted with swirling galaxies and shimmering nebulae, our own solar system might seem like a familiar harbor. We've sent probes to distant planets, rovers to trundle across alien landscapes, and telescopes that peer into the very heart of creation. But even in our own backyard, mysteries abound. Take Venus, for example, our closest planetary neighbor. Shrouded in thick swirling clouds, Venus has long captivated us with its ethereal beauty. But beneath that veil of serenity lies a world of scorching heat, crushing pressure, and a truly bizarre secret. Venus rotates backward. That's right, while Earth and most planets spin on their axis from west to east, Venus marches to the beat of its own cosmic drummer, rotating from east to west. This means that on Venus the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Imagine that, a sunset in the east. It's a sight no human has ever witnessed firsthand, but the laws of physics don't lie. Now you might be wondering, why is Venus such a rebel? What cosmic event could have possibly knocked it so far off kilter? Well, astronomers believe that early in the solar system's history, billions of years ago, when planets were still young and rambunctious, a massive object, perhaps a rogue planet or a colossal asteroid, collided with Venus. This impact, carrying immense energy, could have been powerful enough to disrupt Venus's original rotation, sending it spinning in the opposite direction. Imagine the chaos of that ancient collision. Two celestial bodies, each a world in its own right, colliding in a cataclysmic dance of destruction and creation. It's a testament to the immense forces at play in the universe, forces that can reshape planets and alter the destinies of entire worlds. But the backward rotation of Venus isn't just a cosmic curiosity. It has profound implications for the planet's climate and evolution. For one thing, Venus's slow rotation, a single Venusian day is longer than a Venusian year, coupled with its dense atmosphere, has created a runaway greenhouse effect. Heat from the sun is trapped beneath the thick clouds, leading to surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Imagine a world where the sun crawls across the sky, taking months to rise and set, all the while baking the surface in an unrelenting inferno. That's Venus, a stark reminder that even in the vastness of space, seemingly small differences can have enormous consequences. And as we continue to explore our cosmic neighborhood, we're finding that Venus isn't the only planet with a few surprises up its sleeve. From the tilted axis of Uranus to the shrinking surface of Mercury, our solar system is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. So, keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the universe and all its strange and beautiful mysteries. Our journey through the solar system's oddities takes us now to a realm of ice giants and hidden wonders, far from the familiar warmth of our sun. Our destination, Uranus, the seventh planet from the sun, a world that defies expectations. While most planets spin on their axis like cosmic tops, Uranus takes a different approach. Uranus is tilted on its side, rotating at an angle of about 98 degrees. Imagine a world where the sun skims along the horizon for decades, where seasons last for generations. That's Uranus, the sideways planet, challenging our understanding of what a planet should be. What could cause a planet to be so dramatically tilted? Astronomers believe that, like Venus, Uranus experienced a tumultuous past. Billions of years ago, a colossal object, perhaps an Earth-sized protoplanet, slammed into Uranus. This impact sent Uranus tumbling, forever altering its axial tilt. It's a reminder that the universe is dynamic and ever-changing. Uranus's unusual tilt isn't just a matter of curiosity, it has profound implications for the planet's climate and seasons. Imagine a world where the poles experience decades of continuous sunlight, followed by decades of darkness. That's Uranus, a world of extreme seasons where day and night take on a whole new meaning. Uranus's rings and moons follow a similarly skewed orbit, circling the planet like a tilted merry-go-round. It's a sight that would leave even the most seasoned astronomer awestruck. But Uranus's strangeness doesn't end there. This ice giant is also home to a surprisingly complex atmosphere, with layers of clouds composed of methane, ammonia, and water ice. These clouds, whipped by powerful winds, create a dynamic and ever-changing tapestry across the planet's face. And deep beneath this turbulent atmosphere lies a mysterious interior, thought to be composed of a slushy mix of water, methane, and ammonia ices. This strange, exotic ocean could potentially harbor conditions suitable for life, though likely very different from life as we know it. As we explore the outer reaches of our solar system, Uranus stands as a testament to the boundless diversity of worlds that await our discovery. It's a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and that even in the coldest, most distant realms, wonder and beauty abound. Chapter 3. Mercury, the Shrinking Planet. Our cosmic voyage now takes us to the innermost planet of our solar system, a world scorched by the sun's relentless glare, a world of extremes, where searing heat gives way to frigid nights. This is Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and a world that's literally shrinking before our very eyes. You see, unlike Earth with its dynamic geology and constantly shifting tectonic plates, Mercury is a world that's cooling down and contracting. Over billions of years, as its molten core has slowly solidified, Mercury has been shrinking, like a raisin in the cosmic oven. Imagine a world where the very ground beneath your feet is slowly crumpling, where vast cliffs and canyons scar the landscape, testament to the planet's ongoing contraction. That's Mercury, a world caught in a slow-motion collapse, a stark reminder of the immense forces at play within our universe. Now you might be wondering, how can a planet shrink? Well, it all comes down to the planet's core. Mercury has a proportionally large iron core, and as this core cools and solidifies, it contracts, causing the planet's surface to wrinkle and buckle. Imagine a grape slowly shriveling up to become a raisin. That's essentially what's happening to Mercury, albeit on a much grander scale and over a much longer period. It's a process that's been ongoing for billions of years and will continue for billions more, slowly reshaping the planet's surface. Evidence of this shrinking can be seen in the numerous cliffs and ridges that crisscross Mercury's surface. These features, known as lobate scarps, are essentially wrinkles in the planet's crust, formed as the planet contracts and the surface is forced to adjust. Imagine a tablecloth that's too big for the table it's draped over. As you push the edges of the tablecloth inward, wrinkles form. That's essentially what's happening on Mercury, with the planet's shrinking interior causing the surface to wrinkle and fold. But Mercury's shrinking isn't just a matter of geological curiosity, it also has implications for the planet's magnetic field. You see, Earth's magnetic field, which protects us from harmful solar radiation, is generated by the movement of molten iron in our planet's core. Mercury, despite its shrinking, still has a molten outer core, and this molten core generates a weak magnetic field, about 1% as strong as Earth's. While this magnetic field isn't strong enough to protect Mercury from the full brunt of the solar wind, it does interact with the solar wind in interesting ways, creating a miniature magnetosphere around the planet. So, as we continue to explore the inner solar system, Mercury stands as a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. It's a world of extremes, where searing heat and frigid cold coexist, where the very ground beneath your feet is slowly shrinking, and where a weak but persistent magnetic field dances with the solar wind. From a backward-spinning planet to a sideways world with extreme seasons and a shrinking neighbor, our solar system is packed with strange and fascinating worlds. Which one do you think is the weirdest? Drop a comment and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more WhizCosmos wonders. The universe is full of mysteries, and we've only just begun to scratch the surface. Every planet, every moon, every celestial body has a story to tell. A story of cosmic collisions, gravitational dances, and the endless interplay of matter and energy. So, keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never lose your sense of wonder. The cosmos is vast and full of secrets, and it's up to us to explore it and unravel its mysteries. Stay curious with WhizCosmos. The solar system is packed with strange and fascinating worlds. Which one do you think is the weirdest? Drop a comment and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more WhizCosmos wonders.